All right, look at this. Tarot of the Enchanted Soul. I'm so excited. I got this from Valley Health, from Susan at Valley Health, by the way, if you live in Peace River, Alberta, in Canada. Okay, so we're unboxing today. See, it's that magnetic kind of thing like we have on our Power of 8 cards. I like that. I think it's cool. This is a bigger deck, you know, like it's a bigger deck, but look at right inside. You've got beautiful picture there. Wow. And then we've got the book here. Okay. I like to look at the book too because I want to see. Oh, and we've got color pictures. See? That's already a good sign. I love it when you make your book with color. I think that's cool. So we got the keywords. What did I put? Strength. So somebody watching right now, let's get some strength in our auric field here. And then there's keywords. See? Bravery, patience, pride, determination, courage, endurance, compassion. This actually is a major arcana card that I just randomly pulled of the book here. It's strength. And so you gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience which you really stop to look fear in the face. Eleanor Roosevelt. Wow, this is gonna be cool because there's little sayings for every card like that, little quotes from famous people. Keywords: bravery, patience, pride, determination, courage, endurance, compassion. And yes, we are going through that with these eclipse season here in March 2025 into April. Wow, lots of really great things where we can glean some strength here. Okay, and then there's a story, Once Upon a Time. I won't read that to you because that's probably going to take too long and you'll probably get bored. But there's a story, and then there's a meaning, and then there's the person, and there's some thoughts. What are some of the things that scare you? Do you know why? What risks are you willing to take to try something that you fear doing? Wow. I know I'm going to love this deck. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's put that book aside, but we see how great it is. Now, let's look at the cards. Okay, so we got the cards. Okay, we'll take a peek at a few of these cards here. Okay, so we got the cards here. Sorry, I don't have my stand, so I can't do this properly. I gotta do one-handed. I'm a one-handed woman. Okay, so we're gonna close the deck for a bit here, and let's just take a quick look at this. By the way, if you're like, what's this candle? Well, I did a session with a client, and we did a special solar eclipse in Aries activation for March 29th, 2025. We needed the candle, and we needed this saying, and we needed the cinnamon. Long story short, that's what that is. I'm supposed to let it burn until Aries season passes, but sometimes I have to put it out. But I keep lighting it every so often. It smells really good. This one smells like cocoa. Anyways, if you're curious about what that what the candle thing was. Cinnamon, prosperity, you see? Okay. And then we had a special little activation spell that we wrote down, and we put it underneath our candle, but anyways, that's the kind of stuff you get with my readings. We do a little extra. I'm quite extra. Okay, so let's get back to the Enchanted Soul. Tarot of this Enchanted Soul. Tarot of the Enchanted Soul. That's what we're doing. By Yasmeen Westwood. These kind of look like dice. 63, 58, I see. Really quick. 6 plus 3 equals 9. A new ending. We are in a 9-year. 58, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 34. The number of stability, security, and following some kind of process as well to get out of any funk. Okay, that was just an additional download there. Okay, so let's look at some of these cards though. The Fool, yes. So we've got the Fool's number 0, the beginning of the Tarot, going into a new doorway. Look at that. That's fantastic. With her little dog. What a nice little dog. It looks like a Shiba Inu maybe, or one of the Spitz dogs with the curly tail. Innocence, freedom, new adventure, leap of faith, taking a leap of faith, wonder, universe. I like how the naivety, yeah, a little bit naive in our new adventure. I like how she puts the keywords. That's fun, especially if you're a new tarot reader, you know, that would be very, very helpful indeed. And then I'm not going to go through all the cards, but let's just go through a few. The Magician. Look at, oh, he's handsome. Johnny Depp vibe there. The Magician. Resourcefulness, action, manifestation, mastery, skill, focus, and alchemy. You are the magician of your life. Wow. The High Priestess, she's beautiful. Oh my God, with the owl. Look at that. She's very intuitive. Number 2, the 11, right? It's a 2 card, but I always see the 11 when I see the High Priestess going into a new chapter as well. Mastering your emotions and intuition is the High Priestess, but we've got intuition, sacred wisdom, secrets, subconscious, the mind. Wow, that's beautiful. I like her makeup too. I'm a really big makeup person. I like that. Nice lipstick, nice makeup, nice contouring. You know what I'm saying? These are so beautiful. I can't wait to use them in a reading. Oh my God. Okay, so let's see what else. We got the Empress. Oh, I like this card too. Very Taurus related here. Nurturing, fertility, pregnancy, creativity, sensuality, and abundance. Yes, that is really capturing the essence of the Empress. I love that. Oh, there's a dude. I like dudes. The Emperor. Oh, very interesting indeed. You can see this Emperor is smart with his ears are high towards his eyes. That always indicates intelligence. He has quite the high forehead as well, which indicates intelligence. So the picture that they used for the Emperor is very good. The Emperor does like to have structure and planning. So let's see what they say. Discipline, structure, rules, authority, fatherhood, leadership, stability. Yes, being the Emperor of our lives. Wow. And what's that on his shoulder? We'd have to read the book to learn more about the shoulder thing, right? But we can definitely tell he's got a plan. He's structured. He even makes his mustache just so perfect, right? Very planning, very 4 energy. Wow. The Mentor. We've got blind faith, guide, religious beliefs, conformity, rituals. Yeah, this is like the Hierophant in traditional tarot. The 5, the Mentor, the Hierophant can be very spiritual, can be like a guru, can be like a priest, spiritual leader per se. But definitely when you get this card in any tarot deck, this is about sort of embodying the spirituality within you. And it can be ritualistic as well, you know, doing magic rituals, the occult, all that kind of stuff as well. Religious stuff, all of it. The Mentor. Wow, I like how she said the Mentor. The Lovers card. Yes, when we get the Lovers card, it can mean lovers, but often it means a decision. This is a major arcana card that's pretty special when you get this card. What does it say for, what did she say? Desire, relationships, choice. Yeah, and choice is a big thing with the Lovers, I find. It is like making a big decision of your heart, right? And we get that heart right at the bottom there. Making decisions of your heart, choice. We can mean romance and all that love stuff too. You know, I'm not a huge love. I'm an Aquarius. We don't really do love that much. We do sort of more of a collective thing. Oh, the Chariot. I love the Chariot because we're taking initiative here. Victory, success, willpower, control, forward movement. Yes, driving your chariot, right? Driving your chariot forward. Taking direction. Being the master of your video game. Force, ambition. Number 7, the Chariot. That has a lot to do with your mind too. Using your mind for analytical choices to make movement as well with the Chariot. Oh, this is so fun. I could go through every card. Strength, which we got at the beginning. You're at bravery, patience. Very Leo card too, and Aries. The Hermit. Yes, taking some time away from social media, taking some time away from the degenerates. Can feel loneliness, solitude, but finding inspiration within that silence. Sometimes we just need to be silent and hear Spirit talk to us through the silence. That's the Hermit. What's this? The Wheel of Destiny. Oh, when you get this card, you know that's the team that's going to win. Let's say you're saying Oilers versus Calgary in hockey. If whoever gets the Wheel of Destiny and the Wheel of Fortune, they win. Never go against the Wheel of Destiny. I learned that from mysticalfortunes.com. She's a great person. She's in Alberta too, just like me, Alberta, Canada. We have the same viewpoint of many, many things I noticed. Just want to give a shout out to you. But the Wheel of Destiny, fortune, luck, destiny, karma, fate, blah, blah, blah. And you know, if you're betting, sports betting or anything like that, like I like to do, always choose whoever gets this card. That's who's going to win. Winning. Charlie Sheen. Okay. What else? Justice. Yes, this is very law and order, legal matters quite often, but it's about just having balance and justice. The karma thing, you know. Follow your karma. Perspective, number 12. This is like the Hanged Man, where you're hanging and having a new perspective, maybe. You know, it can be just letting go and surrendering quite a bit to the universe and not trying to control it so much. The Death card. I got this for Aquarius in my April readings on the Zodiac. Transformative, very feeling. This is very transformative. There's endings and beginnings here, all intertwined into one. It's a very big fresh start, transformation in some way, regeneration, renewal, rebirth in some way in your chart. I like to look at Pluto when it comes to the Death card. Where's Pluto? What's it doing in my chart? For example, you know, I talk a lot about Pluto as the transformative planet. But don't see this card as a bad thing. This is good because it's fresh and it's getting rid of the old, and you're going on a new journey, right? A new transformative metamorphosis. It could be deep. It could be hard. It's not that easy sometimes, but it can be easier if you go with the flow and let yourself transform into the new you and let go of the old shit that doesn't work anymore for you. That's really that card. Temperance. Yes, a lukewarm energy. This is about having balance in all things and harmony. Not taking things too hard one way, but finding the balance in the middle. Life is a balance. The universe is always balanced. The Devil. Ooh, look at that Devil card. That is interesting. Obsession, control, domination, addictions. Yeah, addictions fall quite often with the Devil. Materialism, temptation. And, you know, the Devil's not always a bad card. It can sometimes be pretty fun. But if it's too much unbalanced, well, you're going to see some problems with the Devil card. You have to find the balance about having fun in life. And, you know, like, for example, let's say you like to gamble a little bit. Okay, I think that's fine. Gamble, buy a lottery ticket once in a while, whatever. But if you're putting half your paycheck on the gambling, well, that's dumb, that's stupid, and you're the Devil card, and you're going to be caught in this web of obsession about putting your money into something. You know, just remember, a little bit of fun is fun, but don't let it get the best of you, right? Like I said before, at the beginning of this reading, or the beginning of this session, everything is a balance. And the Devil wants to remind us not to get too caught up into one thing. What's this? Wow, look at these two faces. Oh my God, the Tower. The Tower, Virgo. Virgo, you've been getting the Tower in my readings. I tell you how to master the Tower. This is an upheaval, but often it just means getting rid of the old ways you were doing. Everything you were doing before doesn't work anymore. And you gotta restart. Flash of insight, revelation, restart, rebuild. And that's it. What we were doing before no longer works. The Star card, very Aquarius. Yes, and this is about bringing the information from the top onto the 3D world. Renewal, hope, healing, miracles. It's a very good card. The Moon, mystery, subconscious, secrecy. Yeah, often when we get the Moon card, it means there's some unveiled information we haven't gotten yet, per se. It could mean that we're not seeing things very good because Neptune is involved in our chart, maybe. making it wavy, making it like we're underwater. We're not seeing the truth per se. There's some illusions there. So when we get this card, I think it's a good idea to look at things a little more analytically and less dreamily, like not be a dreamer so much, but start to look at things a little more concrete and analytical. And also it could be some secrets that are being revealed as well. So this is an interesting card to get, but look how beautiful that is with the moon. Oh my god, like I'm really feeling this card. Mystery, subconscious, secrecy, illusion, fear, phobias, paranoia, obsession. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so oh, and I'm gonna do the sun because it's the sun, it's the sun, it's a beautiful sun. Success. I love the sun card. Even in Lenormand, it's very good. I love it. So it looks good. Enlightenment, happiness. Okay. Now before we go, let's just pull one quick card for everyone. I don't know what I'm doing. Do. Look at the blue. Oh, I love it. Okay. 5 of Swords. So what's she doing? She's got the yellow. Confidence could be an issue with the solar plexus chakra. Look at how nice her outfit is. But the 5 of Swords, conflict, struggle, fight, aggression, defeat. Yeah, so some of us might be finding like we're, you know, having some conflict in our life, some struggle in our life in some way. This is a time to be confident with that yellow suit she's wearing. Be confident, take action. Okay? And remember, you're a queen. Don't be a victim. And it's time to step up and get out of any of these problems and be that queen that you are. It's almost like Lady Gaga. I'm feeling like do. You know, who here knows Lady Gaga? Give me some songs. I'm really feeling that for you as well. You know, for everybody watching tonight, 5 of Swords. Let's get over the conflict. Let's use our mind of the swords and communication to rise above and be the queens that we are and not be intimidated anymore and just be strength. And remember the strength card at the very beginning of this reading, having the strength, which is also yellow and Leo and let's go, sun. Okay, the sun, I'm feeling it for you, for us all. Let's go. It's time to rise up and not take any more shit, right? And let's make some good decisions here for the future and get it going. And, you know, we got each other. We got each other. It's very good. 5 also says to me it's a big change. The 5 in numerology, for example, is like we have some kind of change in our life and we should probably go with the flow. It could be travel related as well. Sometimes we got to get a new perspective. Let's go on a trip, get a new perspective, and then start fresh as well. But there's a lot of fresh energy here. And, you know, let's not fight. Let's instead focus on that which brings us abundance and joy and confidence and all the good things in life. Okay? So that's what I say for today. All right. So there we go. That was the Enchanted Soul by Yasmeen Westwood. Wasn't that fun? Let me know if you liked that. I liked it. And come see me for a reading as well. We can always add the Enchanted Soul to your reading. www.themoontree.org. See you in the next one.